Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have crazy light in the room. I mean, if I go like this, yeah, the sun is just very shiny. Okay, so I'm going to share with you this great recipe. I really enjoy doing this mask. It's a glitter mask and I just love it. I tried it for the first time on camera and I was so pleasantly surprised. It cleanses your pores, I mean it does the job, whilst looking great and glittery on your face. And the best thing about it is that the glitter is edible glitter. That means it's not as harmful as putting just normal glitter that you would use on paper or just stuff like that to scratch your skin. Or this is edible glitter. You can easily find the stuff in the baking aisle of your local store and you can pick any color you like. Yeah, just let me show you how I made this.
I used 1 sachet of gelatin. It's 12 grams of gelatin in a sachet. Then almond milk, mine is unsweetened, and I made that hot in the micro for about 20 seconds or so because you only use a bit. And just mix the milk with the gelatin until you get a creamy and not too liquidy texture. Use as much milk as you need. You won't be using too much anyway. And then add a drop of food coloring if you want the mask to have an intense color. Mine is blue because my glitter is going to be blue, so I wanted the mask to have a really intense color. Mix that in and then apply the glitter. Mine is glitter spray and I tried doing that, spraying it, but it ended up in the air and I thought it's more efficient to just do this. Apply, pour as much as you need in there. I wanted mine to be quite glittery, so I ended up putting more and more glitter, you'll see, and then add more milk. You just want to aim towards that creamy texture. If the gelatin starts setting whilst you work with it, just put it in the micro for 5 seconds and it will just go back being a bit more liquidy. Then apply it. But first, open your pores with a hot cloth because this mask is supposed to extract the blackheads, so the pores need to be open so you can do a great job with that. And oh my god, I must say it was so much fun applying this mask on my face. It was like painting my face because it has such a crazy color. And I'm not used to applying crazy colors of masks like that on my face. So this was so much fun. Avoid the eye area, I must say, and any facial hair that you want to keep, like eyebrows and your hairline. Yeah, I ended up putting a bit on my hairline, so it hurt afterwards because obviously you pull your hair out, so that doesn't help. And also, you can apply another layer of the mask after you finish applying one layer because it's good for the mask to be a thicker layer like that, so when you pull it out it just comes out nicer. Yeah, and take your time between the eyebrows. When you apply the mask between the eyebrows, use a smaller brush if that helps, and just take your time. You don't want to be applying on your eyebrows. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. I hope you will too.
Yeah, that's it, it's hardened already. Just avoid the eye area, okay? You don't want peel off masks under your eye area because the skin here is very sensitive. You don't want to be pulling at it. So that's it, I avoided as much as I could my hairline, my eyebrows. Oh, I just finished saying that, but actually I've just placed this in my hair. Here, I'm gonna have to remove that now because I don't want to be pulling off my hair. Right, so you be careful with that, as I said, because I wasn't. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I'm gonna melt it down with some lukewarm water. Oh, that hurt a bit. Oh, this is where I put a bit on my hair. Oh, don't put near your hair, people. Don't. That hurts so much because it was on my hair. Look at this. This is really good. That's a very good formula, I must say. I think I really like this a lot. I think I'm gonna be doing this again. Ow. You see, I've put too close to my hairline, so I basically have to pull some hair, like a strand of hair. That's why be careful with your facial hair that you want to keep. Oh, wow, wow. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. My skin is so soft. I love it. Oh my god, look how soft it is. Be careful when you apply it. Don't apply it too close to your hairline. Just really thin line here and there. You don't want to be pulling out your facial hair. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is such a good formula. There. And everything is edible from these products. So it's no glue, no glitter that you use in I don't know where. That's amazing. So that's it. That's our mask. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any ideas of masks that I can try and make for you, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video and found it to be helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so each time I post something, you get notified and don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching and for your time. Bye!